So, tell me, how was your first day at school?
May bagat kami classmate.
Anong pangalan?
Hello, Jessica.
Hi, Jiro.
I have crush.
Crush?
She is pretty.
That's Jiro.
I'm still.
Just follow your heart.
I'm part of your heart.
Pwedeng crush lang ha. Pero hindi pwede mag-boyfriend.
Bakit ba mag-boyfriend?
Why no girlfriend?
28 na ako. Gusto ko, may family din ako.
You make me happy. You're so very pretty, Jessica. I like your smile.
I like you too, Jiro. Patanayan nyo na kaya natin.
I want to marry Jessica. You cannot stop me.
Can we stop treating Kuya like a baby?
Mahal mo ako?
Oo, mahal kita. Tara, matanan tayo.
Magtanan agad. Okay, sure. Gusto ko maging ibon.
Bye, bird.
Kahit saan pwede tayo pumunta. Parang agila. Ang siya ko pagkasama kita.
Me too.
Ang dami natin pinagdaanan, pero andito pa din tayo.
Kasi, piili kita.
Hindi na rin kita, Jiro. Gusto ko lang kita makasama. Hanggang sa ulap.
I will fly with you.